This is the concept map of the lesson. Now, students, let us move further and understand from where these rules and regulations come. How many of you like sports? Some of you may like badminton, football, cricket, etc. Same as sports, a country also needs rules and regulations. Yes or no? Yes. So, in our country, where you find all the set of rules and regulations is called the Constitution. And these rules and regulations are applied to all the citizens of the country. What is the Constitution? It defines the powers and functions of the government as well as the rights and duties of the citizens. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. You can see the people who were involved in the drafting of Indian Constitution. It became operational on January 26, 1950. Let us understand, why does a country need a constitution? A country needs a constitution because it lays down the set of rules and regulations, plays important role in democracy, reflects the political system, protects the rights of the citizens, protects the rights of minority, states the fundamental nature of its society, and all the citizens must and should abide by the Constitution. Now, as we know, our country is governed by the Indian government. So, let us understand the forms of the government. In a democratic country like India, the leaders or representatives are chosen by the citizens who exercise their powers to run the government on their behalf. Our government is mainly divided into three forms, that is, legislative, executive, and judiciary. So, what is legislative, executive and judiciary? Firstly, the legislative is the body of the government that is responsible for making laws. For example, at the time of COVID, the government decided to lock down, which was applied to the whole country. Now, let us understand the executive. The body of the government that is responsible to exercise its authority in the implementation of the laws is called the executive. For example, traffic police check that people in the vehicle follows all the rules, otherwise they punish those who break the law. And the next form of government is the judiciary, which keeps a check on the proper implementation of the laws. Example, Supreme Court and High Court. So, it is the responsibility of the government to protect the rights of the citizen given in the Constitution. Constitution provides fundamental rights to protect the citizen. What are fundamental rights? Fundamental rights are the basic rights that are given by the Constitution to its people. This protects the people from the misuse of the powers of the state. There are 6 fundamental rights. They are: first, right to equality, which means all humans or citizens are equal irrespective of their caste, color, gender, region or religion, etc. Second, right to freedom. This means all humans are free to move from one place to another. Right to freedom also provides freedom of speech and freedom of expression. Third, right against exploitation. This right protects citizens from exploitation like child labor, forced labor, human trafficking, etc. Fourth, right to freedom of religion. This right guarantees that all citizens can practice the religion of their choice. Fifth, cultural and educational rights. These rights protect the language, culture and religion of minorities and also give them the right to establish educational institutes. Sixth, right to constitutional remedies. This right ensures that on the violation of any fundamental right, a citizen can go to the judiciary and seek justice. So, these were the 6 fundamental rights. Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Need for right to information to fight corruption. The government system is very large and complex. It is difficult to ensure that policies and laws are implemented properly. Programs that are undertaken to benefit the poor and remove poverty often don't reach the needy and the funds get diverted. A major reason for this is corruption. Common people do not have proper information about the programs and how they are being implemented. It is the people's money that is used for their welfare, and therefore people have the right to know how it is being used. Now, let us understand the story of Rajasthan. A group of people in Rajasthan organized themselves under the banner of Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan, MKSS. There was no legal provision to get details of information from the government to the people. Initially, these documents were collected with the help of officials. People evaluate these documents through public meetings. Soon officials resist the idea of disclosing the information. After many years of struggle, a law making it compulsory to give official information was made in Rajasthan in 1995. During all these years, few other states also adopted these laws. And at the national level, Right to Information RTI Act was passed by the Parliament in 2005.